this video, I'm gonna be removing a tire using the Demount tool. I bought this one on Amazon. I paid $100, $110. So I bought this this one. It comes with 3 pieces. I used it already, and it does a good job. I removed like 4 tires already, and it's working pretty good. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works. In case you wanna buy one, I'm gonna leave the link on the description. This is a 22.5 low pro tire, and it works very good. So let me go ahead and remove it. So to make it easier for the tire to come off, we're gonna be putting some Bezel on the side of the wheel and the tire. So that's Bezel right there in the bottle, and we're gonna hit the tire using this hammer right here. So that this side of the wheel is released from the bead. So the tire is released now from this side. Now we're gonna turn it the other side and do the same thing with the Bezel. And hit it again with the hammer. So that side is released too. Now we're gonna use the Demount tool to get it off. So first you gotta put in this side down to the tire. So you drop it like that, and then just press it down like that. Once it's down, you can see the tool already grabbed the tire from the side, from the bottom side. Now I'm gonna be lifting this one right here. So you lift it. That side is off already, and now you want to bring it back in and get the bottom part of the tire. So the easiest way I found is by hooking it, as you can see right there. You're gonna lift the tire a little bit so the tire is hooked. So all you gotta do now is lift this bar. So the tire is coming off easily. Right there, it's off. So here I have the new tire. The kit from Amazon came with this bar, but I'm gonna be using this other bar that I found it to be easier. This is just a regular tire bar, and I'm gonna put some tire sealer on the tire, so I can make it easier. By using the bar, you gotta use this side right here. You just put it in. Now we're just gonna put air in it. So the tire is inflating now. We still haven't put in the valve. And here we have the new valve and this tool to put it in. So now we're just gonna put it to 100 psi, and that should be it. In case you want to watch a more detailed video on how to mount it, I'll leave the link in the description. So thanks for watching.